be giving you a tip on something you can do to install headers and still keep your power steering pump bracket or other brackets you may have. Now what behind me has some small block Chevy right here under the hood of the C10. So let me show you. Now you see it's already set up. Now this is the original stud bolt off the factory exhaust manifold. What I did was run a nut all the way down to the end to the shoulder there, tied it all the way down against the header. Then I was able to just reinstall this bracket and it's done. Now this one, some of the AC brackets are missing, but nonetheless, if you're adding more brackets on the end, you have this stud right here still. And yes, you do have a little bit of shoulder sticking out, but now that's tight all the way up against there. And that's tight there. That's not going anywhere. Now if you want to get fancy with this, one thing you can do, now this is a different truck, but this little tube right here is usually an alternator spacer, and you can buy them fairly cheap at your local parts store, Summit Racing, etc. And you can cut them down, and you can fill that void with basically a little bit of chrome and make it look a little fancy if desired. And there it is. Simple, cheap. Just run the nut down to the shoulder and it works. Alright, so that's just another little tip and trick on how you can keep some of your factory brackets, still run headers on something like this. And, well, it works. It's worked for years. I've done it many times. Depends on the look you're going for. Some people swap up, go with an aftermarket brackets to avoid that, but if you want to keep your brackets, do something simple, cheap, and easy that still works. You can do it that way and call it a day. And I hope this information proved helpful to you. As always, thanks for watching.